Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So rain, go away. Please come back another day. It's a rainy morning right here in Kingston, Jamaica. So I'm coming off Bay Farm Road, going through some shortcuts to go on Molynes. So I'm on Bedford Avenue right now. Lots of water, lots of rain. And we know most of Jamaican roads, especially the community roads, you know, don't have proper drainage. So when rainfall, the roads turn into a road. Sorry, the roads turn into a river. You know, and then lots of traffic because vehicle breakdown, you know, the whole work. So all this water is running off Molynes coming onto Bedford Avenue. It's slightly downhill at some points. So it's a rain drive. Molynes is always full of water, as you can see right now. You can see where the tire and the water meet. I know the wiper blade is flashing, so I hope you guys can still see properly. So this is Molynes, especially down here close to Seaward Drive, close to Boulevard. Lots of water. Most time pedestrian can't even walk because the water flood off everywhere. No sidewalk, but on the left the sidewalk is high, so persons can be there. So over the last week or two, we have been having a lot of rain in Kingston. So just wanted to capture a quick rain drive for you guys. I know there are persons that like driving in the rain and like watching videos of driving through the rain. So we're on Molynes Road. We're gonna go on Boulevard and head to Spanish Town direction eventually. So thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for supporting. Remember, the easiest way to support the channel is by subscribing. It's also free. Remember to like and comment and share so that more persons can see the channel and subscribe, and more persons can see this video as well. I know my videos have decreased a bit. I'm just working on a project, but in November we should be increasing the video output for you guys. So I really appreciate your patience, your loyalty, for sticking around and for clicking on this video as well. So water everywhere, rainy morning. So now it's about 8 AM. So you know that the traffic this morning for persons going to work and school is gonna be crazy. You know, some vehicle can't go manage the water, you know, unless they can swim. Boulevard, heading to the direction of Spanish Town. And again guys, upon watching this video, you can let me know what the weather is where you are, whether you're in Jamaica. So at the time of watching, let me know what the weather is like, whether you're in Jamaica, Canada, England, US. Let me know what weather you're experiencing. Today is Wednesday. So we just passed the intersection of Patrick Gardens and Boulevard. And we're coming up to the intersection of Washington Gardens, which is on the left. Patrick Gardens was on the right, and Washington Gardens on the left. Then after here is Duane Park and Corville. If you guys familiar with any of those areas or used to live in any of those areas, just let us know on the channel in the comments. And again guys, thanks for clicking on this rain drive on this video, and thanks for your continued support. Really appreciate it. Guys, and as I mentioned, not a very long video, just a quick glimpse of the rainy morning. Yesterday we basically had an entire day of rain as well, from in the morning straight back to in the night. So it looks like that's gonna repeat today. Alright, so we're gonna end the video here, the intersection of Boulevard and Corville, which is on the left, Corville community. And you guys live that side. And we have Duane Park community on the right. So thanks for clicking, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, thanks for all you do, and I'll see you on another video.